Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Google Drive for desktop and signing in with the Google account you want synced. Give the app permission to access Finder and folders. This allows files to move both ways. Once done, pick which Drive folders and any local folders you want included. Make sure you confirm access prompts, otherwise the app can't read or write files. This first step gets the sync foundation ready so subsequent options apply to the right account and folders. Now decide how you want files to behave. Choose Stream to keep placeholders and save disk space, or Mirror to store full local copies for offline use. You can then fine-tune which folders in My Drive sync to your Mac and which don't. In Preferences, exclude large file types or set bandwidth limits so syncing won't saturate your network. Once those choices are set, the app begins transferring files according to your rules, and you can monitor progress from the menu bar. Finish by confirming everything synced. Click the Drive icon in the menu bar to view status, recent activity, and any error messages. Then open the Google Drive folder in Finder to confirm files are present or streaming placeholders show. Make Drive start at login if you want continuous sync. If something goes wrong, try restarting the Drive app first. If that fails, sign out and back in, or use the reset option. This usually clears permission or cache issues and lets sync resume normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.